Okay, so this is a sort of interactive ranking tier list layout that I just generated using Gemini AI. Now, I'm not ranking these companies based on anything. I just want to show you that this layout is very much interactive. So you can use this tool to create a video on YouTube. Perhaps you want to use it to create a blog post or a social media post, and you want to share your opinions about something and you want to rank them accordingly. So if you're interested, then let me show you how you can build this tier list ranking layout using Gemini AI. So let's open Gemini, and in this case, I'm using the desktop web version of Gemini, but of course, the same technique can be applied on the mobile version of Gemini. Now, after you have opened Gemini on your device, you can copy this prompt. This prompt can be found in the description down below. Just copy the text and let's paste that on the Gemini and click Tools, click Canvas. And for the mode, I do recommend using either the thinking or the pro mode. If you have the access to, then use this one because it is just much better at coding. So essentially, it is building a web-based app. So we can interact with the page, we can upload images, and we will get something that looks like this. Anyway, this process might take about 2 or maybe 3 minutes, so I'll just skip forward and then later I'll show you how you can use this tool and a few features that you probably want to utilize. Okay, I think it looks good. By the way, if there is anything that you want to change, you can tell AI, maybe you don't like the color, you want to add more tier, like there is ABC, and then you want to add SSS, feel free to do that. But in this case, I think the interface, the layout looks fine. So if you want to use it, I do recommend to open this with a bigger screen. So you can click the share button and click share, and we will get the link, and we can open that link on a new browser window. So we'll get a much bigger version of this tool. Let me just open that. Just wait for it. And I guess I'll just do a quick demonstration for this tool. Now, I guess I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see everything. There you go. So here, I intentionally making this tool to be as simple as possible because the goal is you can use this tool. I mean, you can record your own screen and you can do the interaction when you are recording. So that's the goal of this tool. Now you just upload some images. You can click this button, or you can also just drag and drop images onto this area, and there you go. So I can put them in some areas, some ranking, and I'm not doing anything here. I don't even know what am I doing. I don't ranking these companies based on anything, but as you can see, I can easily move the logo or the picture from one place to another, and it is actually going to stick automatically, so you don't have to manually position it into a certain area. It's just snap on and it's very quick. So it's pretty good. And if you want to record this, you can use your maybe built-in screen recording tool on your computer. You can also use tools like OBS, which is free and open source. And if you feel like OBS is too complicated, you can use ShareX, which is also free and open source. So those are some recommendations if you want to record the screen and you want to make a video about a ranking tier list based on this tool that you just created in Gemini. So yeah, that's basically how you can create something like this using Gemini. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.